snoring.
Got a little piece of hay in his eye when you get up again.
Okay.
What's up?
Mommy's coming. Mommy's coming over. You coming over? Come here. Oh, come here. What you doing? You doing good? Yeah. Yeah, you doing good? Yeah. You doing good, Asia? Yeah. You doing good? You is? You're a good boy. You are. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You are. Oh, you snoring? You falling asleep? This is what happens when you lay on your side. You make funny noises. Yeah. Yeah, my good boy. Oh, my good boy. My good boy. You are. You good boy. You are. Oh, look at those perky ears. Look at them
I
perky
moved.
ears. Yeah. Look at those perky ears. What are you perking up for? You see your mommy over there? You do. You see your mom over there and you get all perky? Yeah, you do. That's my boy. That's my boy. Yeah, that's my boy. You doing good? How's his eyes? His eyes are a mess. We gotta wash those eyes. We gotta wash those eyes. We gotta wash those ears. We do. We gotta do a lot of stuff. We gotta do a lot of stuff to you there, Donkey Dog. Foot cleaning, eye cleaning, nose cleaning, ear cleaning. You're a wreck. You're just a donkey wreck. You are. You're just a donkey wreck. Train wreck donkey. Train wreck donkey. Yeah.
It's siesta time at the Clear Creek Cabin. 4 o'clock on a Saturday, beautiful sunny day, and everybody's taking a little nap. Chickens over here, being guarded by Mr. Bart. With Mommy looking over all of it. Life is grand here at the Clear Creek Cabin.